Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Easy Guides, and today we're going to talk about two ways that how you can check your credit score from Capitec mobile app as well as their website. So at first you have to log in into their app, and then we'll get one option named add-on on the top left corner. From there you have to click on credit, and then you have to click on add, and after that you will get one option for checking your credit score, your credit history, and amount of credit you can get from the bank. And secondly, on their website we can click on personal, and from there you can see four options. From there you have to click on credit, and after that you have to scroll down and you will get one credit calculator. From here you can check your credit score or you can calculate your credit amount. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.